Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to understand how to create GoHighLevel contact on Brilliant Directories form submission. So I run a fitness studio and I have created a lead form using Brilliant Directories. So now here in this case I want that whenever I receive a new form submission, then automatically using the details, a new contact should be created in my GoHighLevel account so that I can further follow up with that lead. So here to build this connection, I need to connect these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to understand how to create GoHighLevel contact on Brilliant Directories form submission. So as I've already mentioned in my introduction that I run a fitness coaching business and I use Brilliant Directories to gather leads through membership or consultation forms. So I need a way to manage those contacts effectively in my GoHighLevel CRM. So by automatically creating a GoHighLevel contact every time someone submits a form on Brilliant Directories, I can make sure all potential clients are organized in one place. This saves me from manual data entry and allows me to send follow-up emails or text messages quickly, helping me nurture leads and convert them into paying clients for my fitness programs. So here to build this connection, I need to connect my Brilliant Directories form with my GoHighLevel account, and here to build this connection, I'm going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as create GoHighLevel contact on Brilliant Directories form submission. And now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need, and also if you want to learn how to create a new folder in Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more link given over here, and by clicking on this it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here in my trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger application as Brilliant Directories. So Brilliant Directories is a platform that makes it easy to create and manage membership websites, directories, and online communities. People use it because it provides all the tools needed to build and run a directory-based website, such as listing businesses, managing member profiles, and collecting payments. It's popular for creating things like local business directories, professional networks, and community websites. With its user-friendly features, you can launch a professional directory without needing technical skills, making it a great choice for entrepreneurs and organizations alike. So here in my Brilliant Directories trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as custom webhooks. So here I'm going to select this particular trigger event because I'm going to use this custom webhook to connect my Brilliant Directories form with Pabbly Connect. So here by selecting this particular event, we will be able to set up the custom webhook inside Brilliant Directories. So here if you want to connect the Brilliant Directories form with Pabbly Connect, you have to use the custom webhook inside Brilliant Directories. That's why we have used the trigger event as custom webhook over here. And here you can see after selecting my trigger event, I have received the webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Brilliant Directories account with Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below, here I'm going to copy this webhook URL. And here I've already logged in my Brilliant Directories account, and from here I'm going to select Developer Hub given the left side bar. And here under Developer Hub, I'm going to select the options for webhooks over here. And here under webhook events, you can see all the webhooks created over here for different events. So here you can see all the webhooks. So here I'm going to create a new webhook by clicking on this new webhook button given over here. And then a create custom webhook dialog box has appeared in front of us. And from here for form or smart list, we are going to click on this drop down menu. And here you can see all the options available over here. So I'm going to select my form which I have created with the name new lead form given over here. And then here it is asking me for webhook nickname. So here I'm going to give the name as new lead. And then here it is asking me for internal description. So I'm going to leave it blank. And now I'm going to click on the save changes given over here. And here you can see the custom webhook has been saved. So here I'm going to scroll it a little down. And here you can see we have successfully created a new custom webhook over here with the name new lead. Here you can see the form name, that is new lead form. And now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to enter the webhook URL in this webhook URL field that I have received in my Pabbly's workflow. So this is my webhook URL. And now here after entering this webhook URL, I'm going to turn on this button given over here. And with this, we have successfully set up the webhook inside our Brilliant Directories account. So now once we have set up this webhook, we have to click on the save webhook settings given over here so that we can successfully save the new webhook created. So you can see the webhook settings are being saved. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive the webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead through a Brilliant Directories form. So for that, let me take you back to my form. So this is my Brilliant Directories form that I've created. And here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the name, I'm going to enter the name as Smart User. And here I'm going to enter the email as smart123@pabblytunes.com. And then here for the phone number, I'm going to enter a random phone number. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on this submit message. And here you can see we have successfully made a form submission over here. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received the successful response where we have received the name as Smart User. Here you can see the inquiry ID scrolling little down. Here you can see the phone number, email as smart123@pabblytunes.com. Here you can see the phone number and some details over here. So with this, we have successfully set up this trigger over here. Now let's move to our action step. And here in this action step, what we are going to do is that we are going to select action application as GoHighLevel. But here in Pabbly Connect, instead of searching for GoHighLevel, you have to search for Lead Connector V2. So here by selecting Lead Connector V2, we are going to connect our GoHighLevel account with Pabbly Connect. So GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform that helps business manage their customers and grow sales. It combines tools like CRM, marketing automation, sales funnels and appointment scheduling in one place. People love it because it simplifies their workflow and saves time, making it easier to focus on growing their business. So here in my Lead Connector V2 action step, I'm going to select my action event as Create a Contact. So that whenever we are going to receive a new form submission through our Brilliant Directories, then automatically using their details, a new contact is going to be created in our GoHighLevel sub account. And now here to connect my Lead Connector V2 with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect given over here. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Lead Connector V2 account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Lead Connector V2. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to select my account. So here I'm going to select my sub account in which I want to create a new contact. So here I'm going to select my sub account as Pabbly Connect. So this is my sub account. And authorization successful. So here it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my GoHighLevel account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your GoHighLevel account. And now here after building a successful connection, moving forward, and then here it is asking me for the first name, last name, full name, email and some other details. So here first name and last name is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank. But here for the full name, I'm going to enter my contact's full name. So here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I have received in my previous step. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive a new response through our Brilliant Directories form, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to map my lead's full name. So this is my lead's full name. Moving forward, here I'm going to map my lead's email address. So this is my lead's email address. Moving forward, here this location ID is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank. But if you want to add the location ID, then you can do it as per your need. And here for the phone number, I'm going to enter my lead's phone number. So this is my lead's phone number, so here I'm going to map it. Moving forward, but here before moving forward, you can see that here in the phone number help text, it says enter the phone number starting with the country code, example this. So as all my customers are from India only, so here I'm going to manually enter the country code, that is +91. So I have successfully entered the country code. Moving forward, and then here it is asking me for address, city, state and some other fields. So here these fields are not a required fields, where I'm going to leave them blank. But if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received the successful response. That means we have successfully created a new contact in our GoHighLevel account. So now let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact under our sub account named as Pabbly Connect. And here I've created a contact with the name Smart User, a random phone number, email as smart123@pabblytudes.com. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation with a real-time example to check whether it is working or not. So to test our automation, we are going to make a new form submission through our Brilliant Directories form. And for that, let me take you back to my form. So I'm going to move back, and here I'm going to enter some another dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the name, I'm going to enter the name as dummy lead. Here I'm going to enter the email as dummylead@pabblytudes.com, and here I'm going to enter some random phone number. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on this submit message given over here. And here you can see the message has been sent. So now let's go and check our GoHighLevel account. Here I'm going to refresh it again. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact over here with the name dummy lead, a random phone number and email as dummylead@pabblytudes.com. So with this, we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Brilliant Directories and our action as lead connector V2. So that whenever we are going to receive a new form submission through our Brilliant Directories form, then automatically using their detail, a new contact should be created in my GoHighLevel sub account. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.